Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, finally we are on our last track, no, para sa Complex EP, no, develop, and we have mic test, no, that's official visualizer, man. Woo! I'm just excited, no, para dun sa Superior live session natin, no, na reaction, para panoorin yung live performance, but we are on our last track, no? Ano ba bang hinihintay natin? I don't know, but this is the last track na papakinggan natin. I feel like dapat ito yung una, no? Kasi mic test, no? Yung title. Pero, I mean, nandito na tayo, no? Nag-base kasi tayo sa pinakamaraming request, no? Na kanta. So, I feel like, I don't know, pero parang ito dapat yung pinakauna na pinakinggan natin, no? Pero, I mean, ito yung naging pinakahuli, no? So, dito na tayo. Mic test, man. Without no further ado, let's get it. Okay? Turn me up.
Mic test, as akong mga miss. Saya moving like this. You know who the baddest. An story fight this. Wanna say you try this. You know who the baddest. Wanna say you try this. Okay.
This is definitely a fucking intro song, no? That ba ignore natin, pang hype song siya, no? And sabi niya doon, wait lang, ulit natin yan. Let's go. Hey. Hey. Hey, hey.
Mic test, as akong mga miss. Saya moving like this. You know who the baddest. An story fight this. Wanna say you try this. You know who the baddest. Wanna say you try this. Okay. Didn't wanna stop, say you wanna jump, shake it to the drum, started wanna stop, didn't wanna stop, say you wanna jump.
Narinig yung parang parang alis na, oy, oy. Ang ganda nun. Ay, ganyan. Ang layo pala ng rewind ko. Hey, hey, hey.
Mic test, as akong mga miss. Saya moving like this. You know who the baddest. An story fight this.
Ay, ang
Say you
istorya.
try this. You know who the baddest. Wanna say you try this. Okay. Didn't wanna stop,
Oy.
say you wanna jump, shake it to the drum, started wanna stop, didn't wanna stop, say you wanna jump, started wanna stop, yeah. I'm
Hey.
telling me, yeah, you know that apika diri, mga Bisaya me, you wanna see, you know the baddest say.
Let's fucking go, man. Ang daming, ang daming nagsasabi, no? Ang daming nang-aasar sa mga Bisaya, right? No, alam mo yung tipong ginagawa nilang pang-asar yung, Bisaya naman yan eh. So, what's wrong with that? No? Pero ang nakakatawa dito is parang sabi alina diri mga Bisaya, alina ay dito, no? Parang, yung mismong parang inaano niya, no? Tinataas niya, no? Na anong masama, Bisaya ka. Ha? Diba? Anong masama? Pag tinawag kang, Nay, Bisaya. Oh, bakit? Bakit? Ano? Anong masama? Right? Let's go. Saan na? Uulitin natin sa umpisa. Saan na kayo? Let's go. Let's go. Hey, 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 hey.
Yeah.
we are the baddest mga Bisaya ni. Bakit? 'Di ba? Ang daming sikat na singer ngayon, no, na international na Bisaya. Right? I mean, ginagawa na lang, doesn't make sense kung paano siya naging pang-asar no? Pero, I mean, Filipino humor, no?
You know that we doing this stuff. Hey,
Ay,
hey, hey, yeah. Hit it, hey, hit it,
ooh, ooh, ooh.
hit it, hey, hit it, damn, hit it. They like the way that we dance. They like the way that I move. They
Like the way that we dance.
They like the way that we move. They like the way that we dance. They like the way that I move. They like the way that I dance. Mind test as I come on this. Say I'm moving like this. You know who that baddest? And next story I fight this. Wanna say you try your best. You know who that baddest? Wanna say you try your best, baddest.
Bad Bisaya. Ay, let's go. Alright, well again, that's Philip, no, mic test, man. Napagod ako. Napagod ako sa antag yun, no? But yeah, isa lang masasabi ko, man. That's a fucking hype song, no? And again, sobrang dami ng Pilipino na ginagawang pang-asar yung pagiging Bisaya. And maraming Pilipino din dahil sa sobrang dami ng nangasal sa mga Bisaya is parang minsan din nila maamin na Bisaya sila, no? So yeah, I mean, kung hindi pa kayo magiging confident, no, na for example, Bisaya kayo, sa pakinggan nyo itong kantang to, when I don't know what else, no? Bibigay sa inyo ng confident or tatanggapin sa sarili nyo na Bisaya kayo. And kasi there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, the fucking definition of Bisakol, no? Bisaya yung nanay ko, Bicolano yung tatay ko. So, I'm But yeah, that's what we asked for today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo, leave a like and subscribe kung gusto mo mag-sabutin yung artist, man, singer, rapper, song. Just comment down below. Mag-react tayo dyan. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. Stay awesome. Peace.